I traveled to Turkey 2 years ago. I was in Istanbul. Istanbul is a very beautiful city. It is located between the Marmara Sea and the Black Sea. As I walked the streets of Turkey, I saw a lot of people waiting in line to get ice cream. I also wanted to eat ice cream. So I stood in line. It wasn't long before I got the ice cream. I tasted it. The ice cream was so delicious. I have never eaten such a delicious ice cream before. I asked the salesman to tell me about this ice cream. He said that the name of this ice cream is Marmara's or Mara's ice cream. The name is associated with the Marmara's region where ice cream is produced. Mara's ice cream has 3 main ingredients. The first is milk. They use goat milk. There are medicinal plants in the mountains of Ahir. The goats eat them. So they grow herbs in their farm's pasture to make milk more aromatic. The second ingredient is sugar. Sugar is important for ice cream. Not every sugar has the same standards. They analyze them in their labs and decide which factory's sugar is better for them. Another important ingredient is salep. Salep is the root of wild orchid. The ice cream gets its elasticity and aroma from salep. They love this business. They embraced this profession from their father and grandfather. The salesman's mother gave birth to him in the evening of 1952. In the morning, he became an ice cream maker. Mara's ice cream was the most delicious of the ice creams I tasted. I consider Mara's ice cream to be the most delicious ice cream in the world. When I went to Istanbul, I didn't just eat ice cream. I traveled to the beautiful places of Istanbul and tasted the delicious food. I walked the ancient streets of Istanbul. We had lunch with tourists from different countries. I will tell you about the beautiful places of Istanbul that I have seen. The Sultan Ahmad Mosque is known as the Blue Mosque. It is the largest mosque in Istanbul. It is one of the largest and most popular places in Istanbul. The walls of the Blue Mosque are made of blue tiles. I was amazed at her beauty. The blue color gives the mosque beauty and splendor. It is the only mosque in Turkey with 6 minarets. Now I will tell you about the delicious food I tasted in Turkey. Which is the most popular dish in Turkey? Of course, this is kebab. I visited Istanbul restaurants to taste Turkish kebabs. I asked the waitress to give me a kebab. He asked me what kind of kebab to eat. I asked him what kind of kebab you have. He said there are all kinds of Turkish kebabs. They are beef shish kebab, Adana kebab, Urfa kebab, doner kebab. I asked him to bring me Adana kebab. The appearance and smell of the kebab will whet your appetite. I tasted Adana kebab. The kebab was very tasty. The traditional Adana kebab is made using lamb, with a high fatty content cooked over hot coals. Only 3 ingredients are used in a proper Adana kebab: minced lamb, red capsicum and salt. I really like Turkish kebabs, and I was very happy to travel to Turkey. I consider Istanbul to be one of the most beautiful cities in the world.